The video is about getting rid of the browser hijacker called Stoic Search. This Stoic Search is a special extension for Google Chrome browser. The site related to this extension is stoicsearch.com. This extension is spread through a fake software or browser update alerts. So in most of the cases, users download and install it absolutely unintentionally. So whenever you submit some search queries, you would get the results by some other unfamiliar search engines, and it's not your preferred one. So Stoic Search is the hijacker that changes the default search engine and some other settings too. For instance, it replaces the new tab. Instead of the blank tab, you see this Stoic Search. Anyway, if you are not happy with all these amendments into the way your browser functions, you should remove this hijacker. Clear the list of your browser extensions and at least remove the unwanted browser extensions by going to the menu More Tools, Extensions, then disable and remove this extension from your browser. To be convinced that your computer is free of other threats, we recommend that you research it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and start examining the computer. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only Quick Scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.